everyone. How's everyone doing? How's your Sunday going? I guess this is a big weekend for some cities because it's Makar Sankranti and Pongal, and also I hope you all are enjoying your beautiful leave. Let's see what is in the cards. You're protected. I guess you're enjoying your leave and you feel safe and protected with your family, and you are very confident that you're enjoying time with them, and this time will be more like memories which you're creating. It's a beautiful card actually that has come your way, and I'm happy that you're enjoying your holidays. And what is coming, wow, I think your cards are speaking it. I don't need to even explain the cards here because the cards are saying just enjoy your holidays, just take this break because you need this break. Feel yourself protected under Archangel Michael, feel yourself happy, enjoy it, and I am sure that a beautiful transformation is coming in the upcoming days. I think the new moon is also coming, Amavasya and the new moon are coming. So what more is needed? That the new moon, maybe I feel the upcoming new moon is going to bring in beautiful changes in your life, beautiful transformation in your life, and that transformation is actually going to make you very very happy. So what are you waiting for? Enjoy your Sunday, enjoy your leave, relax with your family, and just wait for the good news to come in the upcoming days. Today I would suggest go with the flow, wear whichever color you want to wear, do whatever you want to do, because the cards are saying that enjoy the moment, let go of anything and everything around you, just live your life today because tomorrow there's something good coming your way. So I feel you deserve this happiness, you all deserve this happy message that something good, some beautiful transformation is coming in your life from the upcoming new moon. Have a beautiful and a blessed Sunday. Thank you.